Look what we have here. Flat tire on the Pilot. Well, let me show you how we check for flats. Let's get some weight off that tire. All right. Woke up this morning, got in the car to go to work at 4 o'clock a.m. And I looked down at my gauges and the tire TPMS low tire warning was on. Okay, now we've tried. We've got some air in the tire, enough to expose any air leaks once we spray it down with a soapy water mix. So let's go ahead and see if we can't find where it's leaking. Oh, looky there. I think we found our leak. So they make these cool little patch kits. I've used them for 30 years and they've worked just fine. But you can get these repair kits. It comes with these patches and some glue and a couple tools. The first tool we're going to use is a probing tool, and we're going to go down into where the hole is. And all you're trying to do is, first of all, find out if there's anything left in the hole. And then you're trying to clean it out. Sometimes you have to relocate the hole and make sure you're going in the hole. And then I just braid it like that. You get this started in the plug inserter. Then you get some of this glue and you just soak that down. Remove the debrader, find the hole, you plug it with the plug. Don't take it all the way down, just about like that, maybe a 1/4 inch. And then you just yank on the handle and it leaves the plug in there. Now you can cut these down, but if you're on the road, you just leave them that way until you get to a place where you can cut them, or they'll wear down on their own. I've had a few like that. In this case, we've got some side clips, side cuts. Then the next thing you do is fill it up with air. And then you can also recheck the area. And voila, no more leak. And it's probably good for the remainder of the life of this tire. You gotta make sure that that rim is flush with the rotor hub. And get these first 2 lug nuts temped down all the way by finger. Then you can start the others by 5 or 6 threads or turns. Make sure you get them on there far enough so that you don't cross thread them. And I always go by an alternating star angle. And if you want to keep the YouTube torque wrench police happy, you'll do this. Oh, let's see. 105 Newton meters. 105 newton meter. Oh, tight. 105 newton meter. Already did that one. Already did that one. Already did that one. All right. Okay, you put it up under full pressure, and then you leak check it again. And if you still have a small leak, then you need to get it to a tire repair shop. In this case, as large as this hole was, we'll go ahead and get this tire replaced. This way it'll allow me to at least get to the tire store and get it replaced properly. We do these sort of things here on the farm so that my friends, family, and future generations can see what I used to do to get out of a pinch like this. So thanks for stopping by Peterson Farms in Nashville. God bless you all till next time.